Welcome back to the channel, folks. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to be doing this testing here for you guys today. This is AT&T's premium plan, their most expensive plan, the one that replaced the Elite, the PL, and you know, something that I wanted to test was the hotspot. I wanted to see what the hotspot speed was like once you reach that 60 gig threshold. All right, so obviously, you know, it's one thing to look at the terms of the network when you look at like the website or the plan itself, but it's another thing to actually, you know, maximize whatever the feature is and then actually do the testing and see what you can actually do with the device with that connection. So we have the Google Pixel 7 Pro on the right, and that's going to be the hotspot device, the one that's, you know, basically like using the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is coming from the hotspot from the Galaxy S25 Plus on the left. What we're doing is we're really pushing the network. So the connections that are ongoing, I'm doing fast.coms on both devices. I'm doing speed tests from Ookla on both devices. I'm hotspotting and pulling on-device data all simultaneously. And we're running 2 4K streams, one on each device. All right, so all that is happening at the same time. And what I'm doing, I'm just trying to burn the connection, right? I'm just trying to sap the capacity, really put it through the paces. So I'm doing this so you don't have to. So kids, don't try this at home. You don't want to get hit with network abuse. So if you guys are looking, what I'm looking for is continuous video playback. I'm still getting the 4K video stream on the hotspot and tethering. I think at this point I had used about 70 or 80% of the gigs of usage of the tethering hotspot. So I'm getting close to maxing it out and reaching the 60 gigs. When I probably started the filming of this video, I think I had about 50 gigs used or something like that. So we're really getting down to the nitty gritty, and it's going to happen. You guys are going to see that all of a sudden the speed tests are going to come to a crashing halt. We're going to go from 400 megabits per second downlink to like ultra slow, super slow speed, and boom, it just happened right there. In fact, the downlink was fine. The uplink was the first one to take the hit, and now you'll see we are down to like 0.03 megabits, 0.06 megabits. I think what they call like 128 kbps. You guys see the video is throttled. It's buffering. It's not playing. On device, we're still good, but the tethering device, the Pixel that's using the tethering data and the hotspot data from the Galaxy, I mean, it's just done. Like, we can't do anything. So I'm going to go ahead and move it into 144p. We'll see if the video will play. I think we get some of that video playback, but it's not consistent. It's discontinuous. You know, it's not really usable. That's a very weak connection. So at 60 gigs, if you have the PL plan, the premium plan, I mean, you are getting slowed down to a screeching halt. On device, we're still good. I think at this point I had used like 600 or 700 gigs of data. I think so far in this month I'm approaching a terabyte. Maybe I'm at like 900 gigs. So I'm really pushing it. But you know, an airplane mode ain't gonna save you. You know, a restart's not gonna save you. A reset of the connections won't save you. Once you've used all that tethering, that 60 gigs, that's it. You're done. I think AT&T set a notification to the account holder line where it says, like, you know, pay for the additional. You can pay for, I think it's $15 for 10 more gigs of data or something along those lines. I forget. But anyways, I wanted to share this with you guys. Don't try this at home. Learn from what I did so you don't have to mess with it. Here's the notification from AT&T that I used all the data. I hope this helps. I hope this gives you a good idea of what happens to the connection once you've used all of your data on AT&T for mobile tethering and hotspot. Let me know if you've ever done this. Let me know what the speeds were like in your estimation. What can you accomplish with those speeds? To me, not meaningful, not good. Moving on. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out some more videos. We'll see you guys on the next one.